Good morning. It's the first trading day of November, and welcome to the Storm Daily Debrief. Just to recap, U.S. markets obviously on a pretty strong trajectory, with U.S. 10-year pulling in a little bit. U.S. tech sort of not showing any sort of signs of weakness. We've had this yesterday. We had a pretty put out of Tencent in a continuation. Today, I think there's been some commentary around China clamping down. We've got iron ore off considerably this morning, and mine is quite weak. We've got dollar just off 94, with the VIX slightly elevated, but nothing too untoward. Tencent's nearly down 1%, and we've got the big move I think this morning, or since our close on Friday, is the rand. So let's quickly have a look at the rand and where this can go. I think this is something that might be a proxy going forward. I think first of all, just to look at just the seasonality, during this tough period of time towards the end of the year, we do usually have a bit of a weaker ZAR. We obviously had municipal elections yesterday with quite a poor turnout, and maybe one or two changes there. So let's keep an eye on this rand. I think 1560 is sort of the next level for clear breakout. It's quite a big level, so let's watch it here. Let's see if the rand does continue to weaken. We've obviously had quite considerable outperformance out of the dual stocks, your CFRs and your BTRs. So the first, I think this morning will be also our first day of daylight savings. So London only opens an hour later. So let's keep a close eye on, I think CFR is one that we'll definitely be watching quite closely this morning. Let's see what happens here. Just to give a couple of levels, I think it's at quite an important level around this 188. I think it closed crosses at about 193.50. So the stock definitely is looking to, test 200. I think their results are coming out in a week or so. So this is one that we'll probably be looking to buy. I think, it was up 1% yesterday in Switzerland. So let's keep a close eye on this one. And I think this is definitely one that is also quite well shorted. So we could have an explosive move higher. I think Sibanye has traded really, really well. We had platinum up quite decently yesterday since our close. Let's watch the stock also quite closely. I think 57.50 area is sort of the next level of resistance, where the 200 days. This might also be one to be owning instead of some of the diversifieds, which would probably be hit by that iron ore price. And then, let's have a quick look at Anglos. Anglos is also one that we're going to have to watch this morning closer to 10 o'clock. I think 568 is the 200 moving day average. It did close quite a lot higher yesterday in London. But, let's keep an eye on this one this morning to see how it behaves with the iron ore price down 10%. I'm probably leading towards waiting till closer to 10 o'clock and to see where it opens in London, with the bias maybe to be shorting it closer to 580, 590 area. Those are pretty much ideas for today. I think keep on also close an eye on Massmart. I think that's just hit the tape. Sort of put this up yesterday. I think let's just watch this one. I'm not sure exactly where consensus was. I think it was at 3.4%. It might have been a bit light. So let's see if we can break out of this channel. I think the bottom end of the channel is 61. The 200 days at 55.50 and higher is 70. So let's watch how that behaves and the market takes to those numbers. Good luck for today.